What if no one books me? What if I get a bad review? What if a student asks a question and I have no idea how to answer that question? And I'm not even qualified to teach this. What should I do?
Don't push the horses.
Don't push what?
Don't push the horses.
I need a translator.
Okay, I am translate you.
You decided to become a tutor on Preply, and probably when you open the website, you want to click that Become a Tutor button, but that is a big mistake. What you have to do is you have to kind of play a spy game and you have to click Find a Tutor button. Find. And then you open this Pandora box, and there are so many professionals, beautiful pictures, engaging videos, this extremely professionally written about me descriptions, and you analyzed all that. You analyze profiles of successful tutors who have high rates, who have like a fully booked schedule, who have many reviews, and you try to understand what makes their page so special. After that, you take your laptop and you write that all down. For example, you kind of decided that you want to book a lesson with, I don't know, Simon, and you kind of specify what made you so, what made Simon so special, like what caught your attention, and then you try to replicate it in your video. You try to kind of incorporate it in your about me description. But talking about this about me description, the most important one, you also have to know your target audience.
911, what's your emergency?
Help!